K-Dessert reimagines tradition with desserts made from 100% Korean ingredients. Jujube-rich gon-yak jelly naturally boosts fullness with 88.25% jujube, offering a refreshing lineup of jujube, shine muscat, and peach flavors crafted by YJ Farm. Now, let us introduce the 3 key strengths of YJ Farm gon-yak jelly. Strength 1. YJ Farm gon-yak jelly is made with carefully selected Korean-grown ingredients sourced in collaboration with local farms. Recognized through the Youth Yeo Mi project, YJ Farm builds trust by supporting sustainable local agriculture. Strength 2. Our additive-free recipe uses only clean, natural ingredients for a healthier snack choice. Sweetened with stevia, our low-calorie formula keeps the flavor while reducing sugar. Made with only 3 pure ingredients, jujube extract, gon-yak, and stevia. From refreshing shine muscat to soft peach and rich jujube, each gon-yak jelly delivers a clean, naturally balanced taste. Strength 3. Designed for everyday convenience, our gon-yak jelly is easy to enjoy wherever you go. For the best texture, chill before serving, or knead gently to soften before squeezing. Every jelly is produced in a HACCP certified facility, ensuring consistent safety and quality. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us